check this out. It's called a Tuffguy 28, and it is a versatile and hard-wearing trekking backpack. I am not being paid by Fjallraven to do this commercial. Or this commercial. What the fuck am I talking about? This is no commercial. I could swear that my beard is growing by the minute. I also bought some little side pouches. It's made out of this really cool fabric called G1000. To really maximize on this backpack, you need this little piece of wax. And what you do is you rub it all over the backpack, and then you take a blow dryer and you just warm it up slightly, and it waterproofs the backpack. I turn my head and I look back and it looks longer. I don't know, but I think I'm going crazy. I think it's gonna take me a half an hour or so to get the whole bag done. But why don't you take a look at what I've done so far. So there's with the wax, there's without the wax. All you do is you just kind of stretch the area out and you just kind of rub it on. I asked them if they had pre-waxed this, and they said yes. But it was looking pretty good, right? I mean, this is about 3-4 months now that I've been growing it, and it feels nice. They only put a light coat on it, they said, from factory. So this here will give it like a medium to heavy coat. It's getting soft. It actually makes my face look nicer. I don't know. And here are the little pouches that I bought. There are these little T-clips here. It's got all these loops here. Hang on, I want to take a sip of my tea. Damn, that's good. All right, so you know what? That wasn't actually as bad as I thought it was gonna be. I'm just gonna put a little water on this and let's see if it beats. Whoa, did you see that? The water just sits there. Isn't that cool? Holy crap, that's pretty darn good. Hang on, I'm just gonna have a sip of my tea. Damn, that's good. All right, guys, so you saw the water test with the wax on the G1000 material on my new hunting backpack from Fjallraven. The water just hovered right on top. It was actually pretty impressive. I may be tough, but getting a backpack ready for an overnight stay on the mountain is tougher. Thanks for watching, and tune in for the next one. It's going to be fun. Okay.
Oh, I'm touching myself tonight.